morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be in the world. This is Manfred and this is my YouTube channel. I do graphic design related videos. As you can see, these are the resources that we are going to use today. To my subscribers, thank you very much. And if you are here to join my channel, you are most welcome. You are most welcome. Today, without wasting my time, this is what we are going to do. This is a social media food menu that we are going to create over here. So we want to bring in our wooden background. This is what we are going to use as our background, right? Today we are not going to use colors, so we are going to use this wooden background. So we just want to type out some words. So bring in our text tool to type food menu. We want to scale it up to the size that we want. So I think this size is cool. You copy it, just type out a different words, limited time offer, all in caps. Afterwards, we want to create contrast and variation in the text, so we just scale it down afterwards. Alright, I think it should be big, small. Oh, okay, this is good now. So bringing in another word, hot and delicious. Hot and delicious. The keys that I'm using is appearing there, so in case you want to know the keys that I'm using, these are the keys that I'm using. On your right, you can find it on your right in a black triangle. I wanted to place it in the middle bottom there, but then I wanted to bring it to the lower third there. But whenever you are trying to move something on the canvas, it just block it, so I decided to place it there, so in case you want to know the letters I'm using. So we just want to create some kind of star here, right? So we just tint this a bit. Okay, we scale it up, we place it. Wow, we are done here. We want to change the colors. We don't want to leave it all white, we want to change it. So these are the color codes that I'm using. You can try, or if you have your own color code too, you can also use it as well. But if you don't have any color code, you can just use your color palette and just select your colors that you want to use. But these are the colors that I want to use here. I want this white and orange. So we want to bring in from our resource, place this brush stroke, changing the color brush stroke, and you just change the color and go to the color overlay. We have changed it. We want to scale it up and we tint it. Alright, we rotate it to the way we want it to be. We realize that the brush stroke is on top of the word, so we want to bring it beneath the words. So that is done now. So we want to bring in a circle by clicking on the ellipse tool to draw out our circle. Alright, it's down. We want to scale it down to the size that we want it to be. Down. Okay, we are done. First of all, we want to bring in this effect. It actually looks like a sprinkle flour or something. We are in the kitchen, so we are talking about food, so we are in the kitchen. All right, so this effect looks like a sprinkle flour that we want to create. So now we want to bring in our image, our food image. I didn't select it in the resources, so I have to select it from here. I think we are going to use this one, this white one, V9. Okay, so now we want to power clip it into the circle. We just follow the keys and we power clip it. We are done. we scale it down for it to fit into the circle. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like. I can see that many people are watching my videos without subscribing. Please support your man, and I'll be grateful. All right, we have our triangle here. We are just trying to create some flair in the design that we are doing, so we just create this triangle over here. We just want to change this one because we want to place it in that orange stroke, so we just want to change it to white. We are trying to see what we can do here. I'm trying to go to color overlay, but I'm having a second thought. Let me try to see. Let me go to the pen through, because that's how we created it. So we change it from there. Oh, okay, this thing is really messing up. Let me select all. Alright, go to the pen tool, you change it all to white. We are done. We have it done. So we copy it and we place it on the orange brush stroke, turn it, we rotate it around. Alright, that's cool. So we want to bring in a small circle attached to the big one. So select the ellipse tool, you draw out your circle, you scale it to the size that you want. We want to bring in this stroke, this circular stroke tool. Go to color overlay, double click color overlay, change the color to white, scale it to fit to the edges of the circle we created earlier on. Later we will try and create some brush stroke for the big one, so you let's go ahead with whatever that we are doing. Whenever we are done, we just attend to that later. 30% off anything that you buy from a restaurant, 30% off. Right, so we want to change the font. The font is not what I want to use. We want to change the font to a bold font here. Alright, which font am I using? Area, bold, black. Okay, I think everything is done here. Alright, we are done. So we want to bring in this triangle also. This triangle is going to have the order now west, but for now let's bring in our arrow. I'm trying to rotate it. Okay, alright, so we don't want to use the color here because the color here is not favorable. We want to change it to white. Okay, you know how to change the color, right? So you just do that. Okay, in case you don't know, this is Manfred. I'm from West Africa. This is my YouTube channel. I do graphic design related videos. When I started these videos, I didn't want to add my voice to it. But one way or the other, I just found necessary that sometimes when you are watching some videos and the videos are great, but then if there's no voice, it's like your communication is halfway. So I decided to try something different and add my voice to my videos and see how far this YouTube algorithm is going to send my videos, because many people are watching the videos without subscribing. Please, this is why we are here. We are trying to show our skills here. You're not getting the like. Kindly subscribe to my channel for me, support me, If you like any video that you watch, just click on the like button. And if you want to know and see more videos, click on the bell icon. Alright, so that anytime I post any video, you can just get a notification real fast. So I told you earlier on that we are going to place an order now into the triangle that we created. You have your social media icons over there. So if the company have a name for its social media handles, you just place the name with the social media icon. That's that. You are done. Realize that the O is not scaling down. You want to go back, scale the triangle for it to fit well into the triangle. Alright, I think everything is cool now. Alright. Okay, and done. I said we are going to create some brush stroke here, so that's what we are doing now. Okay, scale it up. I think we are done. 15.60 pixels is cool. Everything is done. Fast forward, we have this done. We have our contact delivery done. Right, I like using this effect in Photoshop. I like using it. So bring it up. Okay, so we are going to bring this custom shape tool to select our phone icon. We have our phone icon. We want to change it to orange, the colors that we use. Scale it down for it to fit into this brush effect. Twist it a bit. Alright, position it well. Okay, we are cool here. So this is what we have come up. This is what we have done so far. Okay, so these are the videos that I want you to see. This is what I want you to see. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel and you'll get more of this. More are yet to come. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.